Conservation biology is the study of conservation of nature and Earth's biodiversity with the aim of protecting species, their habitats and ecosystems from excessive rates of extinction and the erosion of biotic interactions. Conservation is important. As a species ourselves, we need to maintain the environment around us in order to keep the world as we know it. Conservation helps preserve animals, plants, and their habitats for future generations. It's also important to conserve endangered species, which are at an all-time high risk of extinction. It also helps maintain healthy ecosystems that provide clean air, water, and land for agriculture. Ecosystem can also support marine life and provide natural defenses against storms and waves. It also provides resources like food, material, and space for recreation. Many of the medicines and other chemicals used every day, such as latex and rubber, come from plants. Environmental conservation focuses on preserving the ecosystem's natural resources like forests, wildlife, water, and energy. It aims to curb population through a multi-pronged approach involving the responsible management of resources. Animal conservation is an act of protecting ecosystems and environments to protect the animals that live there. The importance of animal conservation is immeasurable. At a time where our planet is currently experiencing the sixth major extinction event in the 3.6 billion years that life has been on it, marine conservation is informed by the study of marine plants and animals. Resources and ecosystems function and driven by response to the manifested negative effects seen in the environment, such as species loss, habitat degradation, and changes in the ecosystem functions, and focuses on limiting human-caused damage. Main purpose of conservation: there are two central goals. Goal 1, evaluate the human impacts on biological diversity, and Goal 2 is to develop practical approaches to prevent the extinction of species, to also protect natural resources, forests, wildlife, plants, and biodiversity. The 7 levels of conservation for endangered species on IUCN Red List are least concern, near threatened, vulnerable, endangered, extinct in the wild, and extinct. Each level represents a different threat level. For example, a species might be considered endangered if it has a very high risk of extinction in the wild. A species might be considered critically endangered if it has a 50% or higher chance of becoming extinct in the next 10 years or 3 generations. Many factors can be considered when assigning a species conservation status, including population reduction, geographical range, and population size. The scale of conservation statuses can also be regional, state, national, or global. There are many examples of conservation, including saving natural resourcing. You can save water by taking showers instead of baths, turning off taps while brushing your teeth, and turning lights off when they aren't needed.